Hello, my name is Harry Graham and I'm going to talk through the Energy Check workflow tool in Oasys 20. A new workflows feature has been added to the Oasys suite to make it easier to interrogate and post-process results. If you haven't already watched the video introducing workflows, then please check it out. The Energy Check tool is a quick and simple way of generating a graph of the different energies in your model to help you check the performance of your LS-DYNA simulation. To set up the tool, open Primer and read in a model. Click on Workflows in the tool menu and then click Energy Check. The only input required is the model units. Select your model unit system and then press Save to File or Save to Model. Once you've saved the input, it is ready for use in the post-processor THIS. As soon as your LS-DYNA results are ready, you can open THIS directly from Primer. Click on Post in the top right and then Start THIS. In THIS, click on Workflows and then Energy Check. And the tool simply plots a graph of the kinetic energy, internal energy, total energy and hourglass energy for your model. Thank you.